Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install JavaScript and then how to run JavaScript program right on your console. So first you need to go to your favorite browser and to type over here Node.js download. Hit enter. So that will show you this nodejs.org. So simply go to their official site. Here you will get Node.js 24 is available to download, and that is LTS edition. I always recommend you to download LTS edition. Do not download current edition, that might give you some issues. Always download LTS edition. So switch to LTS edition and then scroll down and click on this Windows installer. So that's going to download that MSI. So just simply click on that installer and that will show you this welcome Node.js setup. Just click on and these are a license agreement. You must read it, accept it and click on next. So this is where our Node.js is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next. Again you need to keep it default and click on next. Click on next again and it's ready to be installed. Click on install. I'm going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes and our installation for Node.js is rightly began. And it is rightly done as well. So once when it is done, let's click on finish. And now let's go to search and type cmd and open our command prompt, and within command prompt if you just simply type node then hit enter, it's going to show you this node version that you have installed. So that is 24.11.1. so that exact LTS version is what you have installed. So that's how you install Node, and when you install Node you just know that you have also successfully installed JavaScript. So now you can run any JavaScript program on your command prompt itself. So for example, you are typing something like console.log, a popular JavaScript code snippet, and let's say you want to print simple hello world. So hit enter and you are going to get that output over here, hello world. Similarly, let's say you have created a JavaScript folder like JS practice folder, and within that you have written some program that to on file. Select text document and give this file name, let's say as hello dot, instead of text let's make it js. Yes, so our file is now hello.js. let's open it with some text editor. You can open it with Visual Studio or Notepad, anything you want. I'll just open it in a Notepad and I'll write again a very simple JavaScript code snippet called console.log. Let's say hello only this time with double explanation. So let's save this file, and now I'll show you how to run this file using command prompt. So just click on this address bar and type cmd to open your command prompt right at this location, and now just simply type node and then just give the file name which is hello.js. So hello.js and just simply hit enter and you are going to get that output. So whatever you have written on that program, it's going to throw you that output. So that's how you install JavaScript or Node.js on your system, and you can start working on your JavaScript programming journey. If you are interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow this Cool Python project playlist. These videos are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So you can check that out, and if you're interested on WordPress, so for that also I have a video playlist. So this also you can check. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.